Let me welcome you to one of Stone Mountain's newest attractions, our Rock and Land and Lake Tour. My name is Captain Rock. I will be your tour guide for the land portion of your tour. Now, before we head out, we do need to go over some safety. First of all, please remain in your seats at all times. Keep all body parts inside the bus at all times. Parents, please keep an eye on the young ones, especially when the bus is in motion. Please do not allow them to stand up, or reach out of the bus. Also, there is no smoking of any kind allowed on board at any time, and I do have a fire extinguisher here beside me, also one up top. So, if I see someone smoking, I'm going to assume you are on fire, and I will put you out. Is everyone ready for a Rock and Land and Lake Tour?
Yeah!
No, I said, is everyone ready for a Rock and Land and Lake Tour?
Yes!
You know what? I don't believe you guys, so I'm going to play a little test song here. Let's see what y'all working with.
Right about now, you're about to be presented with the sounds of MC Rawface and DJ Liezl Rock.
Oh, okay, I see like 2 people moving. Oh, okay, we got a couple more. Wake up, wake up, wake up. You guys pay good money for these seats. It's time to have some fun. Alright, it's just like I thought. Some of you folks are not ready for Rock and Land and Lakes Tour. But I'm going to get you ready because that's what I do. Now, I know that song I played says it takes 2 to make a thing go right, but it's going to take more than those 2 sitting in the back, okay? Now, as we head out, I'm going to play a little bit of my theme song I had made specially for me. Let's see if I can get you guys ready. It's the captain. I said, I'm here now. Don't you just watch me. Turn it out. It's the captain. At 50,000 feet. I said, okay. If I got a stone. Right to beat. Check it out. Is the all-you-can-eat buffet on the weekend, so you folks gotta come back on the weekend. Check out that all-you-can-eat buffet. Has a front side as well as a back side. Now you heard me mention onto the pavement and head to your right down these steps that you see here on the right.
Young folks have their flotation devices on out there. These are for the adults.
Oh,
If you should have an emergency, reach up, grab you one, put it apart, place it over your head, snap it around your waist. If you need to leave the vehicle, step outside. Still exercise. You read about the guy walking on water, right? Yeah, my grandson. I mean, this is the intersection here. And so that's the main road. This, we had to get him right away too. Now, once again, this is called a carillon. This is the sound system here. It consists of 732 bells that was used at the World's Fair in New York City in 1964-65 time frame, donated to Stone Mountain by the Coca-Cola Company. Look to the woods, you can see a building back there. And that's where the instrument is housed. It looks similar to all the two off the top of it. Like tomorrow we should have a person playing the weekend. 218 Old Golf Course. This is Lakemont, and one across the street is Stonemont. The most unique thing about this golf course is that all the holes are along the waterline. Stone Mountain makes its money by selling golf balls.
Nga po dito sa likod sa mountain, no? Murag no ano no?
Six speakers inside. Here. See the building back in there? You see the building? See the top of it. Right in that area. See the building? See the top of the building? Yeah, it's in there. Twice with the clubhouse, the clothes shop, and an excellent restaurant called Commons at Stone Mountain. This is his first year. Completely his first year. No. Restaurant is his first year. This man who built this bridge built 4 out of 14. I'm getting close. I'm going to say low bridge so you duck your head. I try to go under it, but sometimes it's tight.